Hi guys, I am Kat from 86 Eats, and as I promised you several weeks ago, even though I'm running kind of late with this, I'm going to show you how to make the 86 Eats Deli sliced vegan turkey. We're going to make it with super firm tofu, vital wheat gluten, and a few other things, and you're going to see how quick and easy it is to make. It's one of our most popular recipes. It's delicious. Makes an amazing sandwich. You can heat it up with gravy and mashed potatoes, whatever. Hello. I mean, come on, y'all. Look at this. It's got an edge on it. It slices super thin, just like turkey. I actually gave it to my friend Brad recently. We had gone to see, number one, we had gone to see Smokey and the Bandit, one of the greatest movies ever made, at a drive-in. And I packed his sandwiches, and he took a bite, and he spit it across the parking lot because it was too real for him. So let's get to it. I'm gonna move this out of the way. You're gonna see how quick and easy it is. So the first thing that you're gonna need is a block of what I call, it's super firm tofu. Some brands like Trader Joe's refer to it as high protein tofu. That's because that's double the protein of regular tofu. It is different than firm or extra firm tofu. It is super thick. There's not a lot of squish to it, and it's not packed in a tray of water. It's vacuum sealed. It's just different. You can get it at regular grocery stores right now. You see it. Everybody makes it. You just need to go find it. So the first thing you're gonna do is drop it in your food processor. If you don't have a food processor, put the tofu in a blender and mince it up first, and then you can do the rest by hand. So let's do this. All right, you just wanted enough, look at this, to break it up. The next ingredient, vital wheat gluten. It is the gluten stripped from the wheat. It is what makes vegan meat, seitan, let me take this top off, have that meaty texture. It's very stretchy, and people often ask, can I make this recipe without vital wheat gluten? Not this one. If you want a seitan recipe without vital wheat gluten, I don't have that. Maybe someone in the world has perfected that. Mazel tov to them if they have. Okay, so tofu, vital wheat gluten. These are your two most important ingredients. The rest, let's see. We're gonna do a little starch. We are going to do some nutritional yeast. Now, the original recipe on the website calls for chicken or vegetable better than bouillon. I have not been able to find chicken better than bouillon, or no chicken, vegan chicken better than bouillon, since quarantine started. So what I have found that works instead, if you have a Trader Joe's anywhere near you, is this. I mean, come on. We're like a cult following, the Trader Joe's people. Like, I shop there. That's my grocery store. And then I go to a couple other grocery stores to get what I can't get at Trader Joe's. So this is amazing. It's a chickenless vegan seasoning. And I started using that during quarantine in place of the better than bouillon because I can't find it. So I've added that and some other seasonings there. All the seasonings are listed on the website, 86eats.com. Vegan deli sliced turkey. What else do we need? We need we need oil. I mean, there are actual measurements on the website. And then we need, hold on. We need liquid smoke. So I have bought a variety pack of liquid smoke on the internet during quarantine. I think everybody had a lot of time on their hands to sit online and shop. No, I'm gonna try not to cut my hand off. Don't try this at home. There should be like a warning on all of my videos. Like, please don't attempt this nonsense at home. Let's see, does it have a doodad? It does have a doodad. For the good love. I just want to get into the liquid smoke. I have an open one somewhere. I lost it. Okay, liquid smoke. It's gonna make it taste like a smoked turkey. A little bit. What else? Okay, so we're gonna put water in it too. just not yet. So let that mix around. I'm gonna go grab some water. So I always let it mix first before I add the water. And then I add half. Depends on the tofu. It depends on how much water your tofu held. If you make it with firm or extra firm tofu instead of the super firm tofu, you are probably not really even going to need any water. Almost. Dry. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit more water. I hear people coming. There's probably maybe an invasion of family members. And that should do it. Okay, so on the website I say to use like a hickory seasoning because when I developed the recipe, that was what I coated the turkey in. You can use whatever you want. I've often been asked, where did you get that seasoning? Where can I buy it? I got it in like a holiday seasoning pack. So now it's gone, it's not the holidays and I don't have more of it. So I have switched up my seasoning for now. You're gonna take some aluminum foil. If you don't use aluminum foil, I have had, let's see if I can move this back. I've had some people tell me, oh gosh, where'd you go? Okay, it's crooked. I've had some people tell me that they have accomplished this with parchment paper. I think that they put it above a water bath. Someone on the website has left a very detailed comment about how they avoided using aluminum foil. So go to the website and look up the recipe and search the comments. But anyway, we are going to use foil because I don't have an issue with using foil from time to time. You're going to spray your foil in your hand, trying to put the lid back on if you're a moron like me. And then today I'm gonna use the Trader Joe's chili lime seasoning. I really like it. Before I was vegan, my favorite turkey deli meat to get was at Publix grocery store. They sell boar's head meat. It's disturbing. Now, like in hindsight, it's disturbing. And Sausalito turkey was my favorite. So it was like a chili lime spicy turkey breast. So doodly-doo, you got that. All right, I'm gonna really try to fix this without breaking it. Okay, whew. I'm so technological. I can cook, y'all. I can't computer, phone, whatever. Okay, this is your dough. So you want it to be looking like this. Some more. I think I cut my finger. So this is what you want it to look like. Doughy. It's gonna be stretchy and it's sticky. And you're gonna just kind of form it into the shape of a loaf of turkey breast. Like a little bread loaf. Yeah? You just need it in a shape that can bake up and slice. And then you're gonna take this and you're gonna roll it in your seasoning. Yeah? Give it like a little roll and a rub. Get the ends, don't leave anybody out. All right, see? Okay. Oh, my hands are gross. I don't, And then again, I'm gonna try to do this without, get it down there so you can see what I'm doing. You're going to fold your foil up and make a pouch. Doo-doo. It helps when you make little noises like doo-doo. You're gonna do that and twist the ends. And then you're gonna twist the other. Okay. You're going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees and you're going to cook it closed for half an hour. Then you're going to open this foil packet just back up so that the turkey is exposed, open, and you're going to let it cook for another 30 minutes. You're going to take her out of the oven, let it cool at room temperature, and then you're going to put it in the fridge and not touch it for at least, I'm going to go ahead and tell you 6 hours. Let the breast rest. If I've said anything a million times in the last year, it's let the breast rest. So you're gonna let this turkey breast rest because seitan firms up and gets to this delightful meat-like texture when you let it rest. So you're gonna make the most delicious, convincing vegan sandwiches, so convincing that your friend's gonna spit it across the parking lot when you're watching Smokey and the Bandit. If you do it right, that's what you have to look forward to. And let's go ahead and let me answer some troubleshooting questions. I did it on this one, not on purpose. Sometimes people say the top will form a bubble. There it is. There's the skin bubble. Why does this happen? I cooked it too long. I have 4 kids and I left her in the oven, forgot. It was like, oh man, I left it in the oven too long open. So I did the 30 minutes wrapped up and then I did closer to 45 minutes unwrapped, and that's gonna happen. The skin's gonna peel away. It's fine, it still slices up fine. Sometimes if your oven's cooking too hot, just because the oven says it's cooking at 350 doesn't mean your oven is actually cooking at 350. You might get these little, see these little bubbles? Sometimes people will get these little bubbles all around the edges of the turkey because your oven's cooking hotter. So hotter than what it says it's cooking. So either you can get an oven thermometer or just bump the temperature down 20, 25 degrees and try that, or cut back on your cook time with it open. So maybe cook it closed 40 minutes and open 20. Really just cooking it open gives the nice crust and skin to the turkey breast. So that's what I said I would do. I would show you guys how to make this vegan deli sliced turkey. Sorry it took me so long. Life, y'all. It's things are weird right now in the world, and I just want to encourage everyone to be really kind, and we are all just humans. Doesn't matter what color our skin is, we need what our differences are. We just need to be kind to each other, and I really hope that these recipes are helpful. I really hope that these videos are helpful. Everyone stay safe and well during everything that's happening right now, pandemics and just social unrest, and I just am hoping that we really see some changes this year, really positive, great changes. And I hope that, again, this was helpful. If you have any questions about any of the recipes ever, shoot me a message on Instagram or Facebook or on the website, and I'll be happy to answer them. So have a great night, guys. Bye.